Hey y'all, it's Shay from Wi-Fi and a Dream here. If you're watching this video, it means that you purchased one of our journal covers or notebook sets that comes with a set of backgrounds. For that, I thank you so much for your support. I truly hope that your purchase sparks your creativity to use the designs in your personal items, but with the commercial license that I've included, you're also empowered to monetize and offer your products in your stores with the designs you've purchased. I've taken the guesswork out of your creation process and saved you some time with the done-for-you products so you can focus on more important things. The designs are already made for you, and I truly hope you and or your customers love them too. So let's get to it. Today, I'm just going to record a quick video on how to use the images with the backgrounds in the bundle. With the 4 backgrounds, you have the capability to switch up the look a little bit. Switch out the look of the covers and make them fit more to your specific vision. I've empowered you to have a little more fun and variety, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go.
All right. So first things first, let's go ahead and down one of the Eva upscale journal covers from Etsy. All right. And let's pull up our canvas in Canva and upload it. And the good thing about the journal covers, they are pre-formatted to 8.5 by 11, and they were created to use on designs that are 8.5 by 11 or smaller. They are upscaled and they are ready to upload to Canva as well. So I've already created the 8.5 by 11 canvas in Canva for us to work on here. And as you just saw, I uploaded one of the journal covers into Canva. So what I'm actually going to be showing you today is how to change out the background on your journal covers to, make them fit more to your vision. So let's get started. All right, so I've already uploaded the journal cover design and also all 4 of the backgrounds that are available to you in the bundle. And so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the background that I wanna use, right? So I think for this one, I am going to choose the leopard print one. Give me one moment. Let's refresh. There we go. Okay. All right. So first things first again, I am going to use the leopard print one for this demonstration. All right. So chose it. I'm going to set image as background. All right. And next, I am going to bring the image that I want to use with this background. Just click on it and add it to the canvas. So what you need to do with the image is actually make this image transparent, not the background, because you want to leave the background off here. But the images, they come with this reddish orange background. If you want to, definitely you can leave the background that way. You're empowered to do that if you like it. I do like it, but what I'm showing for this tutorial or demonstration is how to use the backgrounds that I've included in the bundle. So click on the image you want to use. All right. And then you're going to click on Edit Image. And we are going to use the background remover right here. And this is going to take out the reddish orange background from the image. And next up, let's size it. All right. So I like this. It actually, and of course in Canva, you can move it up, move it down, move it left, wherever you want it to go. For this one, I want to make sure I get the bow in here. I want to make sure I include the bow. That's a special part of this bundle. Every model or woman that I included in the images, she either has a bow on or she has on some type of headpiece, like a head wrap or something. So. And this is it. This is it. It's already sized and everything. It's perfect. That's how you do it. Next up, the only thing that you'll need to do is save this in whatever format that you want to save it in. If it's something that you're loading into GoodNotes, like say you're using this for your personal planner or journal or notebook, you want to make sure that you download it to your computer or device as a PDF. All right, for this, um, let's see, you can also download it as a PNG. Like if you're going to be selling these as upscale PNG, save it as a PNG and go forth and be great. That's it. Let's do it again. Like it was so quick. I feel like I'm forgetting something. So let's start over. All right. So here's a blank canvas in Canva. The actual canvas is actually an 8.5 by 11 canvas. All right. That's the size that I chose. And that's going to be the size of the journal. All right. So I am going to choose, let's choose the zebra print background. All right. So I clicked on it from my uploaded files onto the canvas. All right. And for this, I'm actually just going to right click and say set image as background. All right. And let's choose another one. This time, let's choose this one. All right. So what I did is actually I went to my uploaded files here on the left-hand side and just clicked on the image that I want to work with. All right. And it takes it to our canvas. And next up, just click on it to make it active. And then go up here to the menu at the top and click on edit image. And next up, click on BG remover or background remover. And it's going to remove the reddish orange background. And next up, you just size it to make sure it fits the canvas. And voila, boom, that's it. Now just save it in the format that you need to save it in, and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial has helped you. I hope you do feel empowered to switch things up, be more creative by using the background that I included in the bundle. I hope you like it. This is my first bundle, many more to come. I do thank you so much for supporting Wi-Fi in a Dream Motivation merch. Make sure you follow us on our socials, which are included in the download page in the bundle. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on YouTube. Place your questions in the comments, or feel free to email me or even message me on Etsy. All right. Thank y'all. Y'all have a great day and an awesome week. Bye.